Hi, I'm Brandis Davis with the City of San Antonio's Human Resources Department, and this is Job of the Week. Today we're here at our brand new Northwest Service Center, and I've got my friend Mark with me. Hi, Mark.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, thank you for having us.
Well, thank you for coming out here.
Great. Mark's here to talk to us about a job. What job are we talking about today, Mark?
Talking about our traffic signal maintenance superintendent position.
Oh, okay, wow. Well, that sounds like a pretty important job. Tell us more.
So the maintenance superintendent will be leading our traffic signal maintenance personnel. As the 7th largest city in the United States, the city of San Antonio has over 1,400 traffic signals that we maintain and over 1,000 school flashers in addition to some other devices.
Okay, so 1,400 traffic signals and 1,000 school flashers?
Yep.
I mean, that is a lot. Okay, so tell us more about this person and what they're going to be doing.
So we are looking for someone who is a great leader that is motivated and has some innovative ideas to lead our maintenance forces. Our maintenance crews get their assignments based on 311 calls and also some planned maintenance activities. We handle response maintenance, which is going out and dealing with things that are called in from citizens. We also have preventative maintenance programs as well as upgrade maintenance programs. And our superintendent helps to lead and guide the supervisors that are over all of those activities.
Oh my goodness. So about how many people is that the superintendent would be leading?
There's just under 40 people that would be under the superintendent.
That's a pretty impressive size of a team. So this person, when you say you're looking for a leader, I mean, you really are looking for a leader.
Yes, and preferably someone who has experience in leading that large group of folks and doing that kind of work.
Okay, so talk to us a little bit about what the day-to-day would look like for someone in this position.
So the superintendent would come in each day and ensure that the supervisors and the crews know what their daily assignments are and that they're getting out the door on time and to each assignment. There are also things throughout the day to check on the crews, ensure that the work is being done in the ways that we would like to see it done. And then we always have special events and emergency events that come up that the superintendent's going to help lead our crews through.
Oh my goodness. Well, this person sounds like it's just go, 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 but they need to have a level head and a really good sense of how to do the work and get the job done.
Yep.
Okay, great. Well, is there anything else you want to share with our viewers about this position?
I think this is a great position. We're looking for someone that's motivated, and you get the opportunity to work out of a brand new service center here, and we're looking forward to getting the right candidate.
Yes, and so if you're interested in this position, yes, just like Mark said, you'll be working out of this brand new service center, and I've walked around it and it is pretty nice. I mean, if I had these skills and inclined, I'd want to work out here. It's pretty cool. You're lucky. Well, in addition to what Mark said, the ideal candidate for this position should have a bachelor's degree, at least 5 years of experience in leading maintenance activities, and okay, this is where it gets a little technical, guys. You're going to need 3 years of direct experience with maintenance of traffic signals, school flashers, and other electronic traffic-related components, temporary work zone traffic control certification, 3 years direct experience working in an environment with active traffic, 3 years direct experience overseeing and directing the work of a traffic maintenance contractor, and you get bonus points if you have the IMSA level 1 or level 2 certification or the ability to get this certification within 6 months of hire. So if you have all that and you're interested in working at a brand new facility and you're just an awesome person, then I do encourage you to go onto our website at www.sanantonio.gov/careers to apply. Also, if you like this video, then I do encourage you to click that thumbs up button, comment down below, and subscribe. See you next week.